Hi, my name is Ammar Mango. I'm the Chief Knowledge Officer and Partner at Method. Let's talk now about strategy execution and how Method can help you and your organization in this area. One of the toughest challenges that organizations face is translating their strategy into action on the ground and into projects. This is what is required so that we can realize our vision. When we develop a strategy, we end up usually as part of our strategy with a group of themes that we need to fulfill for the strategy to be fulfilled. These themes can have different aspects that are important for the company, like marketing related, profit related, revenue related, expansion related, etc. Now, each theme, for it to be actually executed, we have to identify initiatives related to these themes. So each one of these themes will end up with one or multiple initiatives that need to be executed. Now, here is where the gap happens usually in organizations. After I have identified the different initiatives that I want to do, I start thinking about what projects I need to be executed on the ground for the initiatives to be also fulfilled. Now, this is where the gap happens between initiatives that we identified in our strategy and projects on the ground. Even though we said we needed a couple of projects or maybe 3 or 4 projects to fulfill a certain initiative, the projects that we see on the ground are not in many cases related to that initiative at all because of the gap that exists between our strategy and what is really happening on the ground in actual projects. This is a dilemma many organizations are facing. So here we are with a beautiful strategy that we developed, but unfortunately none of it has seen the light of day in real life on the ground. Now imagine all this effort that we have put and all this time that we spent developing a strategy, and a year from now the company executives meet to find out that none of the things that were supposed to be done were actually done on the ground. We still have strategy on paper, no execution. This is where project management can help. Knowing that your projects are your vehicle for implementing strategy, project management will help you always link your projects on the ground with your strategy. And this is done in more than one way. First of all, by choosing the right projects that fulfill the strategy. And second, to always check on the project. Make sure that it is giving me the value and the benefits and the deliverables that I am looking for to make sure the strategy is actually fulfilled. For strategy execution, Method has 3 offerings that I would like to talk about. We have Enterprise Project Management, which helps you manage your projects in a setup that allows an enterprise view versus each project managed in a vacuum as a single project. Second, we have our PMO. The PMO is a function in the organization that helps my organization focus on the projects that matter and focus on projects in general also, because most of organizations have an operational focus and we need to start shifting from an operational focus into a project focus, and that's what the PMO will help you with. Next offering is related to an assessment, to develop a baseline for the organization about where do we stand right now as an organization as far as our ability to manage projects effectively and efficiently, and how we are improving in the future in actually doing project management.